Hello students, good morning. After done with the revision of chapter number 1, the parrot who wouldn't talk, we are going to do revision of chapter number 2, celebrating Bihu. Right? So before starting with revision, let's summarize the chapter. In that chapter, speaker was going to Guwahati. Speaker was going to Guwahati in Assam state. It is situated in Assam state with Ma Baba. So there were three people, those who are traveling, Ma, Baba and speaker, right? And there are three types of mainly Bihu celebrations going on that state. It is three types of Bihu, we can say Kongali Bihu, Rongali Bihu and Bhogali Bihu. You have already drawn the chart in your CW. Even when I was checking book, I found so nicely chart drawn by all the students' book. I even gave them stars. Okay, and those who didn't get star, once observe your picture. Maybe you haven't used a scale or pencil. Okay, students, so it is compulsory for all the students to draw lines with the scale only. Do not use your hand on. You have to use scale. And those who have drawn chart nicely, I gave them stars as well. Okay, so once you look on that, and okay, fine. So after learning types of Bihu, there are mainly three types of Bihu: Rongali Bihu, Bhogali Bihu, and third one is Kongali Bihu. We also learn in that chapter. We have also learned in that chapter that author was going to Guwahati with Ma and Baba, and which time is that? There were already time to celebration of Rongali Bihu, which is also called as New Year because it brings happiness to the people. So even they are considering that Bihu as a New Year. Rongali Bihu also considered as a New Year. Okay. Now, in that also we have learned that farmers were spending their whole day to decorate their bullock and cow with the paste of some black gram, and that they are decorating their cattle with a few garlands. Even we learned that they are gifting each other hand woven towel. It is called gamosa. We also learn about the different types of musical instrument that they were using while doing dance of Bihu special dance, which is also called as Bihu Geet. And the musical instrument which they were using are they are using dhol, pepa, tal, gogona and toka, right? So Bihu was celebrating very nicely in that city. First of all, it was only celebrated by the village people, but nowadays they are going to celebrate in village as well as in the town and cities, and everywhere in the Assam state they are celebrating. The next thing we learned that speaker danced with that people, and he loved brisk step. जल्दी जल्दी जो स्टेप करते हैं वो हैंड मूवमेंट्स वो उनको बहुत अच्छे लगे थे. एंड एट द एंड दे वर टेलिंग गुड बाय टू आंट रत्ना and again promised to come to celebrate to other Bihus. Rongali Bihu they already have celebrated in Assam in Guwahati city, right? Now he promised to visit Assam again when the another Bihu festivals were going to enjoy. Okay, so after done with summary, let's start with the question and answer. Question number 1, we are going to learn question number 1, and that is who were traveling to Guwahati. Guwahati कौन कौन ट्रैवलिंग कर रहा था? माँ, बाबा एंड आई वेर ट्रैवलिंग टू गुवाहाटी. ऐसा चैप्टर की फर्स्ट लाइन में दिया है. माँ, बाबा एंड आई वेर ट्रैवलिंग टू गुवाहाटी टू विजिट आंट रत्नास फैमिली, राइट? बट आई का मतलब होता है मैं. सो इन आंसर में ये नहीं लिख सकती ना कि मैं गुवाहाटी विजिट करने गई थी, बिकॉज ना तो मैं गई थी ना तो आप गए थे. कौन गया था? जिन्होंने स्टोरी लिखी है वो स्टोरी लिखी वह कौन है? वो स्पीकर है. ओके, so what we will write down in the answer, Ma, Baba and speaker were traveling to Guwahati. Question number 2, who was very excited to visit Assam? आसाम विजिट करने के लिए कौन एक्साइटेड था, कौन एडवांस में सभी बातें पूछ लिया करता था, किसको पूछी थी, क्या पूछी थी, वी ऑलरेडी लर्न इन द चैप्टर, राइट. सो वी कैन से स्पीकर वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू विजिट आसाम. Who was excited? Speaker. Speaker was very excited to visit Assam. Suppose if we are going to visit any new state, if we are going to any water park or any garden, हम क्या करेंगे उनसे पहले? We used to look pictures in the Google or even in the YouTube, right? Because we are excited to visit that place. तो यहाँ पे speaker excited थे because he is going to visit Assam for the first time. Question number 3. Which is the most beautiful state in India? Answer will be Assam. Assam state is the most beautiful state in India. I even shared you picture in PPT while learning the answer, while learning the chapter, right? While explaining chapter, I show you the picture of Assam. Some people were plucking tea and coffee from the farm and they were putting in their basket which they were carrying along with them. So it seems like a high mountain and greenery was everywhere, so it seems very nice, right? So we can say Assam is the most beautiful state in India. I think due to greenery we can say. Question number 4 is, what are the 3 types of Bihu? While summarizing chapter in the starting before 2 minutes back, I already explained the types of Bihu which Assamese are going to celebrate, which they are celebrating all the time, and that is Rongali Bihu, second Kongali Bihu, and third is Bhogali Bihu. So mainly 3 types of Bihu they are celebrating, and this question must be known by all the students. We repeated at least for the 10 times. Okay, 10 times हमने repeat किया है, तो ये सबको आना चाहिए. Question number 5. When the speaker visited Assam state, when the speaker visited Assam state, visit कब किया था असम स्टेट का स्पीकर ने, कौन सा सेलिब्रेशन चल रहा था? द स्पीकर विजिटेड आसाम एट द टाइम ऑफ रोंगाली बिहू. रोंगाली बिहू के टाइम पे आसाम ने ये जो स्पीकर ने आसाम विजिट किया था, राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. विच बिहू इज आसामीज न्यू ईयर? आसाम के लोगों का न्यू ईयर कौन सा है? विच बिहू दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग एज ए न्यू ईयर? आंसर इज रोंगाली बिहू इज आसामीज न्यू ईयर. कौन सा बिहू न्यू ईयर है आसाम का? रोंगाली बिहू. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज़ रिटन इन आर बुक, इट ब्रिंग्स हैप्पीनेस टू द पीपल. ये क्या लेके आते हैं पीपल के लिए? इट ब्रिंग्स हैप्पीनेस. सो इट इज़ सेलिब्रेटेड एज अ आसामीज न्यू ईयर. Question number 6 is, what people are gifting each other at the time of Bihu celebration? लोग बिहू के सेलिब्रेशन के वक्त एक दूसरे को क्या गिफ्ट करते हैं? What they are gifting to each other? Answer will be, people are gifting hand woven towel, gamosa, to each other at the time of Bihu celebration. People are gifting each other hand woven towel. What is called? It is called gamosa. They are showing their love and respect for their elders, right? तो ये पिक्चर भी दिया है हमें टेक्स्ट बुक की जो स्टोरी है उसमें. Even Aunt Ratna gifted speaker one red and white colors gamosa, if you remember. It is given even in the picture. It looks like a shawl जो अपने हाथ से वो लोग वो बनाते हैं. So it might be taking much time to make this gamosa, and after gifting they shows their love and respect to each other. Question number 7 is, why people are gifting gamosa to each other? लोग एक दूसरे को गमोसा क्यों गिफ्ट करते हैं? Why they need to gift? हम किसी को कोई गिफ्ट देते हैं तो क्यों देते हैं? To show our love and affection and respect towards them, right? So answer will be, people are gifting hand woven gamosa to each other to show their love and respect to elders. Elders को वो अपना respect दिखाते हैं, अपना love दिखाते हैं. They shows their affection to each other. That's why they are gifting gamosa. Question number 8 is, Bihu songs are known as. Bihu song को और कौन से नाम से जाना जाता है? Song का मतलब क्या होता है? गीत. So it is very easy to remember by trick. Bihu songs are known as Bihu Geet. As simple as that. Question number 9. Name the musical instruments of the Assam. आसाम स्टेट के म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट के हमें नाम लिखना है. While explaining chapter, I show you PPT. In PPT, I show one by one all the pictures of musical instrument. कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट कैसा दिखता है, राइट? तो सपोज आपको एग्जाम में आ सकता है कि ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट है तो इसका नाम क्या है, तो आपको सभी इंस्ट्रूमेंट को रिवीजन कर लेना है फ्रॉम दैट लिंक, अदरवाइज फ्रॉम दी गूगल. But right now we are supposed to write down names of the musical instrument. Musical instrument of Assam is dhol, pepa, tal, gogona and toka. There are 5 musical instruments: dhol, pepa, tal, gogona and टोका. ये सबके पिक्चर्स भी आपको पता होना चाहिए एंड दैट इज़ कंपल्सरी. खाली नाम आने से कुछ नहीं होगा. सपोज गोगोना कैसा दिखता है, टोका कैसा दिखता है, ताल, पेपा, ढोल, वो सब आपको पता होना चाहिए. बिकॉज वाइल गिविंग एग्जाम यू आर नॉट सपोज टू राइट डाउन नेम्स, बट आप नाम को, आपको पिक्चर को आइडेंटिफाई करना है विच म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज दिस. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 इज विच स्टेप्स स्पीकर लाइक्ड इन बिहू डांस. If you remember the story, speaker was dancing with that Assamese, right? And even he explained that how it was. He shared his experience with us in the chapter. So speaker liked brisk steps. Brisk मतलब जल्दी से, एकदम स्पीड वाली मूवमेंट से करना जो होता है वो वाला स्टेप. Speaker liked brisk steps and hand movements of Bihu dance. ये दोनों उनको बहुत अच्छे लगे थे. क्या क्या? ब्रिस्क स्टेप एंड हैंड मूवमेंट ऑफ बिहू डांस. ओके, सो वी हैव डन विद द शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. यू विल हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस 10 आंसर्स अलॉन्ग विद द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन भी लिखना है, आंसर भी लिखनी है इन योर इंग्लिश नोटबुक अंडर द हेडिंग रिविजन वर्क. So let's have a look on most important instruments of Bihu, most important musical instrument of Bihu one by one. Each and every student will remember. The very first picture is of ढोल. ये ढोल तो आपने इंडिया में भी लाइक गुजरात में भी देखी होगी, so it's not a new thing. You will identify easily. This is picture of ढोल. अगर पिक्चर में दिखा है एग्जाम में कि कौन सा म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, then you have to tick on ढोल. Now we are going to look pepa. It looks like shehnai. This is picture of pepa. Every students will have to remember all the musical instrument. This is picture of pepa. Now third picture is going to be mahi. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? बाही. बाही means होता है बांसुरी. This is also you will be able to identify easily. This is picture of bahi means basuri. Now next picture is coming of ताल. ये ताल भी आपने गुजरात में देखा होगा. While doing prayer in temple we can see this instrument. This is called ताल. Now we are going to see toka. It seems like basuri, but it is not basuri. The shape is very much different. There is a hole in between of this musical instrument. The next is gogona. Gogona seems like a pointed one. It is made of the bamboo sticks as we discussed in the chapter. Okay students, all the students will remember this thing very sharply. Which instrument is it that you have to find out in the examination. So get ready with these learning things.